Lord, I woke up this morning and I was feeling kinda low. And what I have to tell you, you won't have my soul. Lord, I killed a man. Lord, I took his life. I stabbed him in the back with my store-bought knife. Lord, 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 what will I do? I took the life of that man, and now my life is through.
My life is through.
Now there ain't no praying are gonna save my life. I'm heading for the chain gang for the rest of my life. Lord, 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 what will I do for the love of that woman? My life is through.
My life is through.
Lord, 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 what will I do? I took the life of that man, and now my life is through.
My life is through.
There's a moral to the story. I never take a man's life, 'cause you'll never find no glory on the chain gang doing life. Lord, 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 what will I do? I took the life of that man, and now my life is through.
My life is through.
I took the life of that man, and now my life is through.